Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Sharp TV both with and without a remote. Whether your TV is acting up or you just need to start fresh, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. Part 1. Resetting with a remote. First, let's talk about resetting your Sharp TV with a remote. Follow these simple steps. Turn on your TV. Make sure the TV is powered on and set to the correct input. Access the menu. Press the menu button on your remote to open the main settings menu. Navigate to Settings. Use the arrow keys on the remote to scroll to Settings or System Settings depending on your TV model, and press OK or Enter. Select Reset or Factory Reset. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Reset or Factory Reset. Enter the PIN if prompted. If your TV asks for a PIN, the default is usually OR. If you've changed it, use your custom PIN. Confirm the reset. Highlight the confirmation option and press OK. Your TV will restart and reset to its factory settings. That's it. Your Sharp TV is now reset. Part 2. Resetting without a remote. Now, if you don't have the remote, don't worry. You can still reset your Sharp TV using the buttons on the TV itself. Here's how. Locate the physical buttons on your TV. These are usually on the side or bottom of the screen, depending on your model. Turn off the TV. Press the power button to ensure the TV is completely off. Perform a hard reset. Press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the TV simultaneously. While holding these buttons, press the power button. Wait for the reset screen. Keep holding the buttons until the TV powers on and shows the reset screen. Follow on-screen instructions. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the input button to select options. Choose Factory Reset and confirm. Your TV will restart and reset just like with the remote. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.